Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change the voice of Siri on your iPhone like this.
Your virtual assistant.
Before we begin, don't forget to enter my third giveaway where I'm giving away a £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber. You just need to subscribe and comment on my last video for this week. The link should appear at the top right. Winner will be announced on Sunday 21st March 2021. To begin with, on your iPhone, tap on Settings, then tap on Siri and search. Now tap on Siri Voice. Here you can change it to many different accents. You can also change the gender. And if you go back, you'll be able to change the language as well. And there you go, that is how to change the voice of Siri on your iPhone. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant. I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri.